guys, what's happening? Hey, we're in the garage. Just got home from work and just looking at the Fairlane. Got a couple things I got to do. We're going to take it out this weekend and race it. And hopefully we can start getting this thing dialed in. I was just looking. It seemed like the car was leaning a little bit. But I think it's right by the sewer. So anyway. Yeah. I got the old Ferd in the background here. And yeah, we're going to start getting the stuff ready for the weekend. But anyway, this video that I'm about to show you is right after we finished the car. We took it for a ride and we took it for a cruise. And there's some footage of us driving it. I just, I got it back together with the new converter, valve springs, blah, blah, blah. Wanted to take it for a ride, make sure nothing was falling off. Kind of a deal like that. And we ran into a car show on Sunday in Crestwood. A nice show. I wish I would have had a little more enthusiasm to walk around some more. Because, man, it was like 200 cars there. It was really nice. But, I kind of walked around, grabbed some footage. We went for a little ride coming home, checking the car out. And everything seemed fine. So I was happy with that. And then we took the car to Mexico and made a couple hits with it. So that's at the end. So I was going to do one and then split it, and I thought, yeah, you know what, I'll just put it all together, and you guys can see what's going on. So yeah, enjoy. You know what, and please like, share, and subscribe. Please share it. I'm trying to get this thing off the ground. Get some more content. Some more building. Maybe we'll get the old Barney car back out or something, who knows. I got some more builds I want to do. Some other stuff we're going to do over the winter. I want to start building another motor for another car. So I'll do some tech stuff, and you can either see how stupid I am or that I actually do know something. I'm starting to wonder myself sometimes. But anyway, yeah, please hit the notification button, for when I post new stuff up. Like, share it with your friends, let them know, hey, this big dummy's got new stuff out and blah, blah, blah. And, yeah, enjoy the video. We'll see you later. Bumpers, that thing should be like a bumper car. at the end. I had taken my wife out to get familiar with the car again because she hasn't drove it in a while. So I didn't film her because I didn't want to make her any more nervous than she already was. So we kind of left it at that. But I did let my brother make a pass because he hasn't really drove a hot rod in a long time. He's into his boats. So he took the car for a ride, and I'm trying to get him convinced to build another car, but that's not happening. If it don't float, it ain't fun. But so anyway, yeah, that was the deal there. We made one good hit the night before, and then went out there and, you know, made a couple hits with her in the car. She got more comfortable with it. She's going to drive the car Sunday. So, yeah, it'd be kind of neat. You know, that was the whole idea behind this. I'd just been trying to get it straightened out first and make sure that there was no problem. She could go out and make a hit in the car and not worry about it. You know, she's like, you check it out first and let me know. So anyway, so I think I got it figured out. I'm not going to drive myself crazy with trying to nail down an ET or anything. And on Sunday, we're just going to let her make some laps in the car and have some fun with it. And that was kind of the whole idea behind this thing. So anyway, yeah, follow along. But, and again, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And peace out.